I have to restock some beauty essentials, so come shop with me. Okay, so in this channel, we also prioritize health and wellness, not just beauty, not just skincare, not just makeup. We have to get the supplements as well. So a lot of you guys are asking what is the secret to clear skin. I believe it's also inom mo like vitamins and supplements. I prioritize collagen and also yung omega-3, fish oil, ganon. This is the price, 2,650, but this is around 90 tablets. Next, I have to get a hair straightener because nag-retire na yung ginagamit ko. Ilang years ko na siyang ginagamit. This is my old straightener. Nasira lang. So, bibili tayo ng bago.
Na-try mo na ba ito pang curl before mo?
Hindi ate. Paano
Pwede rin
ba
siya.
siya gamitin pang curl? Ayun.
Sa mas ganyan mo lang siya,
Thank you po. Ay ate, gusto ko yung ganyan. Paano? Galing ni ate mag-demo. Bentang-benta na sa akin. Naman na itong pink. Magkano itong pink ate?
2.7, ma'am. Yan naman, ma'am, pag magta-travel ka, ma'am, maliit lang siya.
Ay, dual voltage.
Yes, ma'am. 110, 220 din siya.
Kaya sa Japan, pwede to,
Yes,
ganun.
ma'am.
Oh, di ba? May free umbrella pa ako. Yes.
Ganda to, ma'am, may cake.
Already ran out of my favorite moisturizer, so we're here at Clinique. Ito yung lagi kong binibili, guys, yung Moisture Surge.
175 pesos. May profile na po kayo sa clinic. Picturean mo kayo, ma'am.
Okay po. Mapicture kayo. Thank you po. Kilala pala ako ni ate. Hi po kayo, nagbablog ako.
Hi, hello!
Thank you po. Bye-bye.